everyone, I'm Justin and welcome back to the Clubhouse, our special social studies space. Whew, try saying that 3 times fast. Special social studies space, special studies, oh, here he comes. It's Plato! Hey Plato, what in the world? Plato, is something wrong? Are you okay? Oh, Plato, no, sorry. Here on Earth, when we talk about eating a bowl of cereal, we don't eat the bowl too. Ugh, it looks like Plato might need a doctor or a nurse. Well, I hope that helped. Luckily for you, we're actually going to be meeting a doctor and a nurse today. They're going to talk to us about how they're community helpers. That's right, Plato. Community helpers are the helpers that make our community better. Just like firefighters, EMTs, and police officers, doctors and nurses help the people who live and work in our neighborhood. Who knows, maybe our doctor and nurse friends can give you some tips about your tummy ache. Bowl of cereal, sheesh. So, stay tuned. Welcome back. Are you ready to meet some more people who live in our neighborhood? These are very special community helpers that help us feel better when we're sick, and they also help us stay healthy. Dr. Jeff and Nurse Christine are going to be Oh, hey, they're calling me right now. Dr. Jeff and Nurse Christine, ready to meet them? Hello, Dr. Jeff. Hello, Nurse Christine. Oh, that was Plato. He's a person from, oh, no, sorry, he's not a person, definitely. He's a human being. Well, no, you are not a human being. He's a being from another planet who has come here to learn about our community and the people who live in our neighborhood. Plato, they can't see you, it's just a picture.
Hi, Justin. Hi, Plato.
Hello, everyone.
Welcome to the Clubhouse. We're learning all about community helpers. We'd love to hear about your jobs and how you help the people in our community.
Thank you, Justin. Doctors and nurses go to special schools, medical schools, or nursing schools, where they learn about medicine and taking care of people who are sick or injured.
When we're in school, we learn about the human body and the best ways to keep it healthy, to keep you healthy.
If you fall and break a bone, a doctor can put a cast on it and help your bone heal. Doctors also give you medicine that will reduce your pain and make you feel better when you feel sick.
What about if someone had a stomach ache? Say they ate too much, or maybe they've eaten something that they shouldn't have.
For that patient, I first would ask what they ate.
I'm not even going to go there. Let's move on to a different question. Where do you work?
I work in a medical office with other doctors. Sometimes I work at the neighborhood hospital and take care of patients there too. That's where I am now, with Nurse Christine.
I work at the hospital and help patients feel better by giving them medicine. I also take their temperature, help them get out of bed, and I comfort them. If they want me to, I'll talk to them and hold their hand so they don't feel afraid.
I see in your photo that you're both wearing uniforms.
I wear this uniform so you know that I'm here to help. Not only do I help patients, but I help the doctor too. We try to give all of our patients the best care.
And my uniform has lots of pockets for special medical tools I carry with me.
What kinds of tools do you use?
Doctors and nurses use a stethoscope. That's what you see around our necks.
We use that to listen to your heart. We can listen to your lungs too. This is what we hear when we listen to your heart.
That is so cool, hearing a heartbeat.
We use lots of other tools too. By the way, these tools don't hurt, but sometimes they might tickle a little or feel kind of cold. We use a tool to look inside your ears and nose, a thermometer to take your temperature, and we use a little rubber tool to tap on your knees so we can check your muscles and nerves.
Either the doctor or a nurse will measure your height and weight so they can keep a record of it.
And sometimes we have to give you a shot. I know people hate that. It can pinch a little at first, but that doesn't last long. And we do it to keep our patients healthy.
You know, I went to the doctor the other day.
Were you sick?
No, actually. I went to the eye doctor. I got my eyes checked.
There are many different kinds of doctors. Some doctors treat just one part of the body, like your eyes or your feet or your skin.
That's right, Plato. Even your teeth. A dentist is a doctor who takes care of your teeth. And just like there are all types of doctors, there are all types of community helpers. Let's meet some of them, shall we?
Who's in the neighborhood, neighborhood, neighborhood? Who's in the neighborhood all around me? Police and firefighters, nurses too. Farmers, librarians, me and you. Who's in the neighborhood, neighborhood, neighborhood? Who's in the neighborhood all around me? Doctors, truckers, teachers too. Postal workers, me and you. Let's take a walk, wave and say hi to community helpers as we go by. Who's in the neighborhood, neighborhood, neighborhood? Who's in the neighborhood all around me?
Who's in the neighborhood all around me? It's been so much fun talking with you all today.
I hope everyone had fun discovering more about doctors and nurses and how we are community helpers.
Thank you so much, Dr. Jeff and Nurse Christine. I'm sure I'll see you around the neighborhood. Okay, Plato, before we go for today, I've got another joke for you. You ready? Okay, here it goes. Why did the cookie visit the doctor?
Huh?
Because he was feeling crummy. Ooh, speaking of feeling crummy, are you feeling any better, Plato? Oh, well, I guess that means he's just fine. Oh, maybe in a little bit. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me, everyone, and I'll see you on our next episode of Clubhouse Social Studies. And until then, remember to always be clever.
Hey!